Hello and welcome to the setup tutorial of LightCake. I created LightCake because I needed some acoustic effects and other animated effects that could be done with a projector, but the projector did not give anything that fitted my needs. For example, I will turn on this projector, and as you can see, the behavior of the projector is everything that falls inside the field of view. The complete object gets the texture. And this is not really beneficial, as it does not behave like a light should behave. So I'm gonna delete this. And here's a setup of my LightCake system. And this is the result you will have with it. So as you can see, it behaves just like a light cookie, but only animated. And it just uses the light cookie slot of the light itself. So let's get to the setup. So I'm gonna turn this one off. First of all, you need, of course, a light source. Go to game object. In this case, we create a point light. There we go. So keep in mind this is for animating light cookies, so it's not only bound to light caustics. It's any light cookie that you want to have animated. Just create a couple of frames for it, just like I did with this one. This case is just a black and white caustics texture. Prepared to be a light cookie for the point light. So select the point light. Make an alpha from the grayscale. Hit apply. Call this new acoustics. There we go. So as you all know, a light cookie just gets dragged into the light cookie slot, and it will get projected by the light. And it will behave in the same way as a light does. So you can project shadows in case of Unity Pro. I can't do it here because this is the Unity free version. But first let's make sure the light cookie gets projected correctly. So we'll make a 6 frames layout. There we go. Now let's prepare it for animation. So if you go to Window and open the LightCake window, you will get a little interface. And this interface will detect if your light source has been set up for animation. And you can do this with multiple light sources at once. So for instance, if we have 6, we click on Add Cake, and every light source selected will be prepared for animation. So we have select this. If you want to remove the animation, just click Remove Cake, and the cake is of your light source. But in this case, we want to have the cake, so we're gonna add the cake. Well, you will get an extra component on it. The light source is prepared for light cookie animation. At the cookie batch, you will have to select, type in the amount of frames you want to have. So in this case, we have 16. So we add 16 empty frames. The first frame that is gonna get added will be placed inside the light cookie slot as a preview inside the editor. We can close the window now since we don't need to do anything anymore in this light. And just drag every frame you need inside the script. When we're done with this, we're gonna set the frames per second. So to basically the playback speed of the animation. So 25 is recommended. It's not too heavy. It's fast enough. So now this is set up. We place the light. We set the brightness. And we hit play. And there you go. You have it animated. If you want to slow it down, I don't recommend going under 25. Because if you will see here at 10, it will look pretty chunky. As if you're lagging. But if you want to have it faster, you can go to 50 frames per second. As you can see, it will play back much faster. That's it. That's how you set up the light cookie animation. I hope you have fun with it, and do some creative stuff. Bye.